Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install HandBrake in your computer in a very simple way. HandBrake converts and compresses video files between any format for free. So how you can simply download it? It's very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for HandBrake. Download. Click on that and then you can simply click on the HandBrake converted download. Click on free download, click on the download, and the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, you will going to get the installer package. Click on that, click yes for the permission, simply minimize all the background tab and simply select your installation folder, and the download and installation is completed. Now you can simply see your UniConverter over here, and right now your app is rightly installed over here. You can simply see, you can compress, screen record, and you can simply image enhancer. Everything is rightly over here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.